Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And some of you guys might be wondering that the Samsung Galaxy Note series is being dead, but that's not the case and it's returning but there is some catch too with that. So before getting into this video, if you are new here then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So as you guys are already familiar that Samsung has dissed its Note 2021 series and because of the Galaxy foldables, and this next year also that Samsung will be not doing the same, might not be doing the same with everyone else. But there's a catch with that, and with that the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra will be there and the series will be there next year. Well, there has been plenty of rumors and leaks about the Galaxy Note series, and not only that with the Galaxy S series too. That some of saying that the Galaxy Note 20 series, Note 22 series and the Note S22 series will be the same. But now with according to the ICE Universe new leaks, it has been revealed that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be having the same design as the Note's design. And this time it will be much more boxier and not more of a rounded corners edges will be seen on the Galaxy Note S22 Ultra. The boxier design on the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be inspired by the Galaxy Note 22 series or the Galaxy Note series, and with the courtesy of the on leaks. And not only that, the ICE Universe, there has been new leaks which has been shown on the 3D CAD renders images of the Galaxy new phone, and that seems that it is the Galaxy S22 Ultra but with the S Pen slot into the phone. Now what's weird with this design is that the camera design has been shown at the very early stages and it looks a bit of a weird when compared towards the other Galaxy smartphones. Now one more thing weird about these leaks is that the shocking part is that it comes with a Galaxy S Pen slot inside the Galaxy Note S22 Ultra. We have also seen the implementation of the Galaxy Note Pen inside the Galaxy S21 Ultra, but it has been possible with the separate kits itself till now. Now, what thing is confusing about the CAD renders is that whether this is a Galaxy S22 Ultra or the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. Well, as of now, this thing has not yet been confirmed by the Samsung or from the upcoming leaks, but stay tuned for that too. Now, what's the specification for the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be that it will be coming with a 6.8 inch of an full HD AMOLED display or the 2K resolution of a display, and it will come with a 5000 mAh battery, and not only that with the 45 watts of fast charging support and the flagship processor from the Qualcomm, which is a Snapdragon 898. Now this one will be launching in the next year too, and it will be the leaks are showing that this one will be launching in January itself too. And not only that, alongside there will be also other three major launches, which is the Galaxy S22, the S22 Plus, and not only that the Galaxy Tab S8 series too. We have also made a dedicated video towards the Galaxy S8 Ultra, so you can do check that out in the card above or the link in the description below. And that's been said, thanks very much for watching and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom.